Good morning guys, and in front of me is Xiaomi 17 and let me show you how to remove Google account from this device. So at first open the settings, then select additional settings and go to accounts. Now mark your Google account, tap on more icon, and here actually you can only synchronize searches. Tap on it here one more time, select more and click on remove account. So if you truly want to delete this account with all its data like messages, contacts and any other data from this phone, just mark remove account. And that's it. If you do have some kind of lock screen password, you will have to provide it before removal. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.